Hi everyone, greetings from Shanghai. It's Wednesday, September 4th, and day 2 of ACLE is over. In general, the foot traffic at the fair was noticeably greater than it was yesterday, with the aisles bustling with people. While it was by no means a stellar day of sales, a number of trades were reported, and for the most part, prices were steady. In fact, some of these sales were at good volume, which is a really great thing to hear. Just as yesterday, there were a number of lectures and seminars today, ranging from an update on leather naturally to a wide-ranging overview of trends and emerging Asian brands that are making a major mark on the fashion scene, and a number of them have used leather to translate their concepts from an idea to finished runway styles, many of which are leather. On the same subject, today also featured the Shanghai Shakeup, which had experts and innovative thinkers who presented an overview of what really needs to happen to first make tanners relevant in the new industry landscape, and two, see why designers aren't using more leather and what we can do to change that. We heard from Jeanette Jost Colette about the need for innovation and how that can happen and what it has to encompass for tanners. We also had comments from Mr. Zhao Ziling, General Manager and Technical Director of Fenice Leather Technology, about what tanneries are doing and what they can do about innovating their offerings. The second panel focused on why designers aren't using leather, and it started with a very informative presentation from Carrie Brazina of Wolverine, who included the results of a study among his group's brand designers to see how they felt about leather and its usage. So this was followed up with a panel discussion that featured Ashley Li Nan, Creative Director of Yijin Fashion Design Center, and Emma Zhang, founder of Beijing Leadership Consulting, and both of them shared how young Chinese designers and consumers feel about leather and other materials, and their approach to those materials. Also, Jacopo Presavento, Managing Director of Branding Records, discussed the huge divide between the type of information and news that millennials and Gen Z are looking for versus the kind of outdated materials that are currently available online about leather. And last but not least, Orietta Pellizzari, a global fashion trends expert from Italy, set out why designers would choose leather, and it's really not what you think. No designer is going to choose to use leather because they like it. It has to be because it's the right material with the correct properties for expressing the story that they have for their collections. And so it behooves leather providers to go to the designers and not the other way around. So all in all, it was a very thought-provoking series of seminars that in essence was a wake-up call for the industry. So tomorrow's the final day, and while it's typically a short one, we'll be there to sum it up and wrap up the week's activities and results. So now, HeidiNet is signing off for the day, for day 2, and good night from Shanghai.